Since I'm in the Nine Lives Lounge, I was airdropped 3 of these extra spice packs. And then I'm going to try to get 2 to 4 more in the drop that's happening in about 45 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. Let's see what we got. First up, low cereal Trae Young. Raising the roof a little bit. I like these low mint counts. Matisse Thybulle. The rest of these should just be 60Ks, I believe. Ooh, there's a low one. Kevin Love. All right, well, no badge on that one. Okay, 99.99, maybe $3 instead of 2. And it's Saddiq Bey. All right. Not bad.